What happens when a drunk driver smashes head-on into an innocent person and runs into the woods? Hi, I'm Chris Jacobs, a senior litigation attorney with the law firm of Kalfus Nachman. I litigate cases throughout Virginia in state and federal courts. In this case, my client was a social worker coming home from a client's house. She was smashed head-on by a drunk driver who ran from the scene. She had to crawl out of the car with 2 broken legs as the car was on fire. I came to action when her husband called me. She was in the hospital. I went to meet with her, and then I started my investigation. Our investigators and myself found that the drunk driver was at a hunting lodge beforehand. We found people who identified him in his car. Then we found people at the hotel who identified his car as being registered to him. He still denied it was him all the way until the litigation process. Then we dug in. We litigated this case. We proved he was the drunk driver. We proved his drunkenness was part of the crash and that he cared nothing about my client. It was his fault, and he caused my client to be terribly injured and permanently disfigured. So why am I telling you this? You may have somebody who's a friend of yours, a family member, or a loved one who is injured by a drunk driver who cares nothing about anyone else but himself. We're here to provide big firm power with a personal touch. Call me, Chris Jacobs at Kalfus Nachman, 888-487-8546. I'm here to answer all of your legal questions and investigate your case thoroughly.